Hey everyone, it's Eric from Real World Green. That's Charlie and Henry. This is our refrigerator with more green tips for your kitchen. This one is if you're going to use a container with liquid in it, you know, like iced tea or something, if you want to have it in your fridge, put a lid on your liquids. Anything with liquid in it should be covered up. Why is this? It's to keep the humidity level in the refrigerator lower so the refrigerator doesn't have to work as hard. Higher humidity, fridge has to work harder. You know? If you don't have a lid for something, put some plastic wrap over it with a rubber band. Alright? And there you go. So, enjoy the pups. Enjoy your green day. I'll see you later.